Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need an unlocked iPhone and the image you want ready. Make sure your iOS is up to date so features work. Once ready, open Settings, then Wallpaper, or long press the home screen to begin. This is faster when you want preview control. Now pick the source. Photos for custom images, Dynamic for motion, Live for short animations, or Apple's built-in options. You're starting the change, so choose the option that matches how you want your lock and home screens to behave. Now that you've selected an image, focus on composition. Pinch to zoom, drag to reposition, and decide between perspective, move slightly or still fixed. Make adjustments so faces or important details aren't cut off. Use Edit to crop and tweak brightness or apply a subtle filter for contrast. Once satisfied, preview the lock and home screens to confirm icons and widgets remain readable. If everything lines up, tap Set. Then choose whether to apply it to the lock screen, home screen, or both. This finalizes placement and appearance. After tapping Set, wake your iPhone to inspect both screens. Make sure text and icons remain readable and the image isn't cropped weirdly. If a live photo doesn't animate, check accessibility motion and make sure reduce motion is disabled. Live photos also need press and hold, so try that. If the wallpaper fails to save or appears unchanged, restart the iPhone and repeat the process, or pick a different image size. This often clears transient glitches and ensures the new theme wallpaper applies correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.